Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and welcome to Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This is Chef Michael's Food Hacks, and today we're making chicken fajita quesadilla. Ole! Okay, and as I was saying, we're making quesadilla. Now, quesadilla is basically using leftovers. That's really what it is, okay? It's a tortilla, a nice flour tortilla. I'm using tomato here. Just going to drop this in the pan. You hear it sizzle? I'm going to just heat it up on one side. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to put cheese on it. And then I'm going to throw the tortilla, I'm going to throw the tortilla together in like 2 seconds. Now, I've got this on about medium heat. I put a little olive oil in the pan. And as you can see, I want to show you the little bubbles. That means the tortilla is ready to flip over, okay? Now I got a little color on the tortilla, okay? This is for the quesadilla. Now I like to put cheese on the whole thing, okay? So I'm going to put cheese on the whole thing. And I'm going to spread it around, all right? Now I'm going to let that sit on here until it starts to melt. And then I'll show you what the next step is. Yummy tortilla, yummy tortilla. Okay, now you can see that the cheese has started to melt. So we're going to make a fajita quesadilla. I already have some onions and some peppers that are done. Okay, I sauteed them, a little cumin, a little coriander, a little garlic. And then I've got some grilled chicken I already made the other day. Okay, we're just going to put that on there. Nice. Tiny little bit more cheese. And then I'm just going to take this and fold it over. I'm going to use a heat-proof spatula because that's what I have handy. Just going to fold it over. Okay. Now, I'm going to let that sit for a second. I'm going to turn it over, let it sit for a second, and then it's done. And I'll show you how to cook it. I'll show you how to cut it and how we're going to serve it. Yum, yum. Okay, very quick, very delicious chicken quesadilla. When I have some roasted tomato salsa, and I got a little flavored sour cream with some sofrito in it. I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Remember to watch the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. When you eat well, you live well. Ole! Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.